Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country. So first, you need to open your application store and find a VPN that's suitable to your device and use VPN to fix the problem. But before you use VPN, search for countries that OpenAI supported to, like Kenya, Maldives, and many more countries. Then after you pick a country, go to your VPN application and choose that country, example United States, and then start your VPN. And after that, go to your ChatGPT and you can see now that your ChatGPT is available to your device. So that's how to fix ChatGPT not available in your country. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.